Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today in this video we will see how to manage who can add us in a group on Viber. Also I wonder why you want to know how to manage that somebody can add us in a group or not on Viber. It could be because sometimes many random people add us in a group and we don't want to be a part of that group. So you just want to get rid of this thing. Or maybe you have seen that someone has added you in a group in which you were not want to be. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first you have to make sure that you have already installed Viber app in your mobile phone from Google Play Store or App Store. And if you have not installed it, you can still install it. Once you install it, make sure you have already created your account on it and right now you're logged in on that account. After that, you just have to simply tap on the icon of the Viber app to open the app. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the Viber app looks. So here we have options all over the screen on the top, middle and at the bottom. Right now we are in the chats where you could see all the chats of your account. If you click here on the calls, you will see all the call logs. But we have to click on the last option, which is this one. You just have to simply tap on it so we could see few more options. So just tap on it and there you can see we have a lot of different options available. From all these options, what we have to do is we have to click on the settings, which is this option. Just simply tap on it so we will get into the settings of our account. Once you tap on it, you will get into the settings and there you will see a lot of different options. Every option here has its own purpose that it performs. So we have to click on privacy, this option. Once you click on it, again you will see a lot of different options. There we could see every option is linked to some of the privacy matters of our account. Through every option we can keep our account and our app private and safe from others. So here we have this option which says control who can add me in a group. So here we have two options, everyone and my contact. If you select the everyone, then any person who has saved your number in their contact list, and if you have not their saved their number, that doesn't matter, they could add you in a group. And if you click on my contacts, then only those people who are in your contact list and those people who are on emo, they could only add you in a group. So you can select my contact so that any stranger will not be able to add you in a group. But if you want anyone to add you in a group, so you can select everyone so that anybody can add you in a group. It's all up to you. Whatever option you would like to select, you can select it. You just have to simply tap on it and that option will be selected. This was the easiest way I know through which you can manage who can add you in a group on Viber. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.